Hi everyone, today I will introduce the QR code scanner function of our virtual machine. We can see the current data, then click New. All the data will be cleared. Then we use this scanner, scan this QR code, and we can see the data will be generated. And start, the machine will running automatically. Let's switch another set. Just click Program, scan another QR code, and we can see another set of data will be generated. In many large factories that have an MES system, the machine can be connected to the factory's MES system. The operator doesn't need to input the data manually. Just the technician design and generate a QR code, then stick on the material. The operator, you just need to move the material next to the machine and scan it, and the machine will start. If you have any needs, feel free to contact us. Bye bye.